If you flipped on developer mode inside ChatGPT at some point, maybe to test a custom MCP connection or hook up a tool for a project, and now you just want to switch it back off and get things back to normal, here's exactly how to do that. First, quick reminder of what this actually is because it's easy to mix up. Developer mode in ChatGPT gives full access to model context protocol tools, meaning it lets ChatGPT read and write data through connected apps and services, which is genuinely useful for testing things. But it's also the kind of setting you don't want left on if you're not actively using it, since it opens the door to things like prompt injection risks or a connected tool accidentally messing with your data. Turning it off is simple. Open up ChatGPT, click into Settings, then go into the Security and Login section. Inside there, you'll find the Developer Mode toggle, the exact same switch you used to turn it on in the first place. Just click it to flip it back off, and that's it. You're done. No need to save separately or restart anything. It takes effect immediately. One thing worth knowing, if you're on a business, enterprise, or education workspace account rather than a personal plan, this toggle might not even be something you personally control. On those team-style accounts, developer mode is usually managed at the workspace level by an admin or owner, so if you don't see the setting under your own account, it likely means it was enabled centrally for your whole organization, and you'd need to reach out to whoever manages your workspace to have it switched off there instead. And just a small safety note while we're on it, once you do turn it off, any developer mode apps or custom connections you had set up won't be accessible in your conversations anymore until you turn it back on again. So if you're planning on using them again later, they'll still be sitting there in your drafts, just inactive in the meantime. So really, that's the whole process. Settings, security, and login. Flip the developer mode switch off, and you're back to a standard ChatGPT experience. If this helped you out, drop a like. It genuinely supports the channel. And subscribe for more quick, practical ChatGPT tips like this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.